Welcome back to the cryptoworld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now the price of Ethereum is fighting to remain above this important line of support, while the Ethereum short positions are continuing to increase. And on top of that, the total altcoin market cap is running into major resistance, which is important for all altcoin holders out there. So I'll be covering all of that and more in this video, so definitely stick around to the end so that you don't miss out on any of this important information. And just before we jump into it, you might as well leave a like down below, and if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. But with all of that out of the way, let's get straight into what this video is about. So right here, we are on the Ethereum to US dollar chart on the daily time frame, and I've just drawn the Fibonacci retracement tool from the all-time high down to the lowest point so far, and this is using the logarithmic scale, and that puts the 38.2% Fibonacci level in between 2.9k and 3,000 US dollars, which at the time of recording this video, Ethereum is currently fighting to remain above that level. But even if Ethereum fails this retest and we fall back below 2,900, we would simply be falling into this range of support in between 2,650 and 2,900. And you can see back in May 2021, this was very strong resistance, but in September, this was very strong support. And this also acted as some short-term support in the first half of January before we dipped below it. So this would definitely be the price range that I would be paying attention to for the first major point of support for Ethereum in the shorter term if we break back below the 38.2% Fibonacci level. But obviously, if the price of Ethereum remains above the 38.2% level, that is clearly a bullish signal in the shorter term. And in that scenario, I'll be looking towards the 50% level coming in at just above 3.2k. And then the most important Fibonacci level is the golden pocket, and that is coming in at around 3,500 to 3.6k. But as I mentioned yesterday on the channel, we cannot call this a daily uptrend until we start forming some higher highs on the chart. For example, if we start breaking above this high just here, which is coming in at around 3.4k. But realistically speaking, if we play out some more bullish price action and it's still below the golden pocket, then this rally to the upside is nothing more than that. It is just a short-term bullish rally, at least as of right now, because obviously if we break above the golden pocket, that is when we can start confirming a longer-term bull run. So these are definitely some of the important resistance levels and areas of support that I am paying attention to for Ethereum in the shorter term. And on top of that, even if we break below this initial range of support that I just mentioned, we still have this massive ascending line of support, which is coming in at just above 2.4k. And do not forget that on the 3-day time frame for Ethereum in the RSI, we have officially seen a breakout to the upside. And if you're looking at the last 5 times that we saw a major downtrend in the 3-day RSI for Ethereum, the moments the RSI broke back above this descending line of resistance, all 5 of these times here, that's basically signaled a bullish trend starting to form in the price of Ethereum as well, which in some cases lasted for a couple weeks and other cases lasted for quite a few months. But I want to make it clear that even though the RSI has broken out to the upside here, as I said earlier on the daily time frame, Ethereum has technically not confirmed a new uptrend, at least just yet. And something else that I feel like I should repeat from yesterday's Ethereum update video is that even in a bullish trend, we still have some red days here and then. So if we see some short-term bearish price action, that is completely normal even in an uptrend. And now taking a look at the percentage of Ethereum short positions on the Bybit exchange, which are right now still increasing, believe it or not. And so considering that this is the percentage of Ethereum short positions on the Bybit exchange, if this percentage is going to the upside, that means that more and more people are closing long positions, or more and more people are opening short positions, or a mix of both. So basically, even after we saw a breakout in the daily RSI and the 3-day RSI, and after we experienced a decent pump in the price of Ethereum, there is still an increasing amount of people in the markets that are thinking that this is just a fake out and that we're going to go much lower. And if the majority are flipping bearish, entering into new short positions, then that is actually more of a bullish signal in kind of the mid-term for Ethereum, talking about the next couple months or so, because historically speaking, we see a lot of short positions build up anytime the Ethereum price is bottoming out. And this is not just my opinion, this is literally what the data says. You can take a look at the middle of last year, we saw a massive amount of short positions, and that was basically when the price action was bottoming out. And then when we saw these short positions close leading into August, that was when we saw a lot of bullish price action moving forward. And we saw a similar thing back in September. A massive amount of short positions got opened after we already saw the September correction and as the price was bottoming out. And then when these short positions began closing, that was when we saw a massive run to the upside leading into October. And so with the massive spike in Ethereum short positions, this means that we are potentially in this bottoming out phase, as we previously discussed in these other examples. And we shouldn't really play out a major uptrend in the price of Ethereum until we start seeing these short positions close again, which will happen eventually. It is only a matter of time, and I'll be sure to keep you updated in these videos on this channel. And now taking a quick look at the total altcoin market cap on the daily time frame, this chart right here basically shows us all of the money in the crypto market minus Bitcoin. So basically all of the money in Ethereum and the rest of the altcoins. And right now, this is currently testing an important descending line of resistance, which is coming into play at around 1.1 trillion US dollars. So obviously, if the altcoin market cap breaks back above 1.1 trillion with confirmation, then that would be bullish for Ethereum and the overall altcoin market. But obviously, we have not seen that just yet. So a risk of a possible rejection is still here at the moment. So right now, we are basically in a short-term deciding moment in the altcoin market cap. And if you want extra updates on the crypto markets throughout the day, make sure you follow me over on my Twitter, and the link to my Twitter is in the description down below and also in the pinned comment. If you got anything of value out of this video or simply enjoyed it, please make sure to leave a like down below. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. And if you want to earn extra money in the crypto market, these videos popping up right here on the screen are definitely for you. And as always, I appreciate all of your support. I cannot thank you enough. But anyway, that is everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.